Alright, so check it out. It's time for the 1 o'clock video. The wind is still blowing its tail off out here. We've been sitting here, we ate some tuna fish since we're still in the dark. And the wind out here is just blowing like crazy. It has been intense. I think these are the strongest winds we've had. It sure feels like it anyway, from what's blowing across there. I put my little GoPro camera out here on the front porch. I don't know if it's still working or not. Let's take a look, shall we? Oh look, I fashioned up a little thing to hold it upright. Uh-oh, those are shutters. That's not good. I bet you those are our shutters. Crap. Well, that'll be expensive. Probably. I don't think those are supposed to come off the house. What do you think? Are my trees still standing? Yeah, they are. Well, poop. There's another one.
Shutters.
Oh God. Here, hold the camera and point it at me.
That's like finding an animal. There's still one on the house. I rather wanted to get those before they caught wind and blew off down the road somewhere. Probably easier to fix once we have them rather than trying to catch them later. Holy crap. Look at those trees. It's intense. Thank you.